On Shiba Inu coin, Michael Saylor appears. Michael Saylor could be a crypto billionaire if his claims about being a diamond dealer are true. The crypto bull went on record as owning $17,732 BTC at the start of 2020. Chairman and co-founder of software company MicroStrategy published a Twitter tweet announcing the acquisition of a large number of digital currencies for $175.2 million. The same investment, if done now, would be worth almost $1.1 billion. The software entrepreneur may have cashed out some of his cryptocurrency holdings, but he has probably only added to his gigantic whale status by buying even more cryptocurrency. To further boost profits for stockholders and fight inflation, MicroStrategy added Bitcoin to its balance sheet in August 2020. Saylor has been on a global crusade for the idea of digital gold ever since his company started investing in Bitcoin. According to Saylor, as the best financial tool, I made the statement, I'm going to buy the top forever famous. The data analysis software company MicroStrategy spent a further $155.4 million on coins a week later. Since then, the business has kept buying up assets. It now has 193,000 BTC, or over $12 billion in virtual money. More than 600% has been added to MicroStrategy's value since the initial investment. The stock is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker code MSTR. Among the most prominent institutional Bitcoin holders is MicroStrategy. Saylor argues that buying MSTR stock is a safe way for investors to get into the cryptocurrency market. Also, he has said time and time again that the best way to protect one's wealth is to physically own cryptocurrency. With the ability to transfer funds across cities, states, countries, and counterparties, each and every one of these items is really priceless. Crypto provides you with something you can't obtain with anything else: the ability to make life or death decisions in many circumstances. Saylor insisted that cryptocurrency was better than gold and real estate, and he predicted that money from those assets would eventually flow into cryptocurrency. This, despite the fact that Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, has amassed holdings to the tune of approximately $4 billion in unrealized profit. No plans to sell his coin are afoot, says Michael Saylor. Buying the top is something I intend to do indefinitely. On February 20th, Bloomberg asked him about his company's plans to sell its 190.00 Bitcoin hoard, which is worth around $9.88 billion at the current price. Cryptocurrency, according to Saylor, is the way out. In 2020, MicroStrategy, a maker of business analytics tools, became the first publicly listed firm to buy Bitcoin. With the new Bitcoin all-time high he predicts happening soon, Michael Saylor has taken to Twitter X to make a constructive appeal to the global cryptocurrency community. Meanwhile, prominent cryptocurrency expert Michael Van de Poppe has predicted that Bitcoin would reach a new all-time high in the coming days. Cryptocurrency seems to be realistic at $70,000 for its next historic price peak, even though Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $68,000 on Monday. Bitcoin broke through the $69,000 barrier on the previous one, which occurred in November 2021. Monday saw Bitcoin's decline persist, and there is a great deal of bullish sentiment reflected in the indexes. There has been a dramatic increase in the amount of capital flowing into the cryptocurrency market, and investors are reaping enormous rewards. Bitcoin also brought in millions of dollars for Shiba Inu, driving the token's price up about 180% in 30 days. Owners of Shiba Inus have nearly quadrupled their investments this year due to the breed's meteoric rise in the rankings. Shiba Inu is now the third most traded cryptocurrency in circulation, according to CoinGecko, surpassing both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trading volume for the last 24 hours has been close to $4 billion, and Shib's market capitalization is currently on the verge of beyond $14 billion. However, at $36.3 billion, the volume of Bitcoin transactions hit a new monthly high. The Wall Street analyst Linda Jones took to Twitter this week as Bitcoin soared beyond the $65,000 mark to declare that her investment firm has also bought tokens like Shiba Inu. Jones made his remarks following Bitcoin's surge beyond the $65,000 threshold, which included Dogecoin and Caspa. The fact that Shiba Inu has done better than Bitcoin in the current bull run makes him happy. In case you didn't know, the price of a Shiba Inu has risen by almost 190% in the last 30 days, while the price of Bitcoin has risen by about 52%. In the context of the cryptocurrency market, Shib has previously outperformed Bitcoin. At the start of 2023, Shiba Inu provided investors with better returns than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Nasdaq 100 index. To begin, cryptocurrency prices can swing wildly in a flash, and speculators are constantly on the lookout for a new big opportunity. Shiba Inu experienced a slight deterioration. Regardless, Shib's value has increased by an astounding 230% for the week, so it's safe to say that it's in the positive. Satoshi Kusama has been dropping hints about a bombshell that could revolutionize the Shib scene on social media recently. Investors were suspicious of Kusama because his cryptic tweets suggested he was planning a major service or product with a Shib theme. Many theories regarding the nature of this news have emerged as a result of the excitement surrounding it. Some of these theories concern potential new uses for the Shib coin, while others concern advancements in decentralized finance DeFi. During this market cycle, Kusama also made a bold prediction on the value of the Shiba Inu stock, forecasting that the firm's market valuation might reach $100 billion. This claim piqued the interest of Shib investors even further. With its dedicated community and relentless pursuit of improvement, Shib has high hopes for its future growth. The recovery from market downturns and the attraction of new investors have both been aided by these endeavors. Everyone is waiting for Satoshi Kusama and the Shiba Inu group to unveil their latest attempt as whispers start spreading and tensions rise. Is it possible that Shib's price might reach $0.001 or even higher after this announcement? Clearly, the Shiba Inu community is looking forward to Shib's next adventure with bated breath. What happens next is anyone's guess. Jake Gagan and other prominent members of the Shiba Inu community believe that the asset's success in the current cryptocurrency bull market is just the beginning, and they predict an even more astounding price for the asset in the near future. Up to several $billion. That the Shiba Inu breed will be worth $100 billion by the end of the already large market valuation of Shiba Inu, about $21 billion, is anticipated to grow by a factor of 5 according to Gagan's bold predictions. Shiba Inu's price hit a low of $0.0009483 on February 26, according to data supplied by CoinMarketCap. But by the end of the first week, Shib had already seen a substantial rise of 378%, peaking at $0.0004534. Shiba Inu rose from 18th place to a spot among the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies by vanquishing 8 of its most fearsome rivals on the way up. The simplicity with which Shiba Inu has engineered this trajectory has stoked more conjecture about the asset's future growth prospects. Assuming a market capitalization of $100 billion and an existing supply of $589 trillion Shiba, the cryptocurrency may reach a price of $0.0001697 during this bull season. With Shib's current value of $0.0003628, the price objective indicates a possible growth of 367.7% relative to that value. Out of all the breeds, Shiba Inu has shown the most dramatic increase in the last 10 days. This indicates that the asset might reach its $100 billion valuation earlier than what Kagan predicts. To sum up, the recent surge in Shiba Inu price has enchanted crypto enthusiasts all around the globe and yielded substantial profits for vigilant investors. Constant innovation in the Bitcoin business brings both opportunities and threats. Both could lead to major improvements or setbacks.